A group of Baldwin County teens is dancing its way into the national spotlight with hopes to make their community proud. 41 NBC's Skylar Henry met with the high schoolers who say they want to put Milledgeville on the map.
Walt Disney said all of our dreams come true if we have the courage to pursue them. And these Baldwin High School students are doing just that.
We are Silence.
Tamel, Chris, Neil, Anquan, Royce, and Leanne are Silence, a hip-hop pop-locking team that caught the eyes of producers of NBC's hit TV show, America's Got Talent.
We became Silence when we did a talent show, and we found that the name, Black Phantoms, was the name of a gang, so we had to change it, so we came up with Silence.
Producers spotted them after their performance and asked them to dance at a private audition in Atlanta.
They called our band director at school, Mr. Morrell, and they offered us a private audition, so we called them the next day, and since then we've been practicing every day. Every morning we meet up and we practice till 6:30 every day.
So of course I put them to the test to show me their moves. When I asked why the name Silence,
well, we leave the crowd speechless.
The high schoolers are inspired by famous dancers, including Michael Jackson and the Jabberwockies.
We went to Las Vegas and we went and watched the Jabberwockies performance there. It was great. Seeing it in person was a lot better than TV.
Silence is hoping to put the spotlight on Middle Georgia.
That's what we're basically going for, put Milledgeville, Georgia on the map, you know, because Milledgeville is a small city, and that's what we're aiming for, putting Milledgeville on the map.
And break the silence by making some noise. In Milledgeville, Skylar Henry, 41 NBC News.
Gosh, they got some moves on them, those kids. Well, great news for Silence. They auditioned in front of the regional producers this past weekend in Atlanta and are heading to Los Angeles to audition in front of the celebrity judges. Congratulations, guys.